3 reasons to consider cobot welding for your business. Cobot welding is time effective. Easier said than done, human labor welds at a slower pace and has a limit to physical activity. Even at urgent tasks, a worker can only give in a certain amount of effort for a set time. Overworking results in exhaustion and disinterest thanks to the tedious and monotonous welding tasks, which ultimately stretch the work completion, making it time-intensive. However, the result is enhanced with the inclusion of cobots, as they boost efficiency by doing more than a human capacity is capable of. By upgrading the productivity, the welding businesses are likely to save more time and gain more revenue. Similarly, cobots are multitaskers. When human labor can only perform one task at a time with constant breaks in between, cobots are qualified for doing already programmed jobs without any set time frame. It is common for a collaborative robot to possess diverse competence, for instance, batch production at one time and fixing machinery at the other. By doing more in less time and several multiple tasks in a row, a cobot serves as an all-around assistant by advancing productivity and ultimately benefiting the business. Thus, companies can achieve their deadlines faster while handling larger quantities simultaneously. Cobot welding is cost-effective. Another reason why businesses should consider cobot welding is its cost-efficient approach. To err is human, but the possibility of defects can be immensely reduced with the incorporation of cobots. Fixing errors takes more time and utilizes a considerate amount of resources, much more significant in quantity. When they get tired, human welders are more prone to paying less attention and thus more revisions. On the other hand, cobots are the ultimate way to lower down a discrete amount of errors. The increased precision saves the overall cost by utilizing materials with greater efficiency and increasing the time used. A significant investment return is likely to happen when cobots do the jobs in hours that human laborers take days to accomplish. Furthermore, the risk of revisions is minimized with automated welding, so the materials are not wasted in constant amendments. Since cobots are free of physical boredom and fatigue, the workflow never stops and quality remains consistent. With near-perfect accuracy, companies can map their expenditure better and the materials needed. Consequently, they can spend less time worrying about untimely expenses resulting from a degraded quality and unexpected chain of errors. Cobots are cheaper. Cobots are cost-effective because they can do a lot more than laborers' capacity. Yet another factor that makes cobot automation superior is the reduced investment compared to manual welding personnel. The latter has a long process. It is equally hard to find the right equipment for your business and then hire technical staff to operate the machinery. The same doesn't happen with cobot automation, for cobots cost much less, are easy to integrate, set up, and operate. Instead of organizing technical training for the whole team, businesses now supervise several automated cells, which is much cheaper and time-intensive. Likewise, the modern world witnesses a new invention every day, and the heavy welding gear is soon expected to be outdated, thanks to the invention of cobot automation. The older machinery is now replaced with cobots, which offer long-term benefits with a cost-effective approach. Furthermore, most cobots are less costly to acquire than conventional industrial robots. These reduced expenditures have made cobots more accessible to smaller enterprises, opening doors to overall business growth. Since relying on robots alone to carry out all the work and meet deadlines is risky, businesses can save a lot by staying on the safe side of integrating cobots with human laborers. If you are looking to integrate robotics and other automation solutions into your production, contact B2E Automation today. We can work with you to develop a custom solution that works best for you.